Bridget Jones' Edge of Reason is the sequel to the Bridget Jones' Diary film, which I thoroughly enjoyed. Yes, I'll admit it, I enjoyed that film. And this movie is pretty much the same thing as the first one. She is now with Mark Darcy, played by Colin Firth. And what I like about this movie, I guess the premise is when you get a romantic film and they're all happy at the end and they end up together and you're like, oh, it's so sweet. But what happens after that? And that's what this movie really shows, is what happens after that. Colin Firth was like the romantic guy in the first one, and in the second one, he's a bit dull. I did not find Colin Firth to be interesting at all, and I was not rooting for them to stay together because he was a very mean person to her. He was very arrogant. He looked down on everybody, and I just didn't understand why they two were together in the first place. And that's mostly what the storyline is about, is how he's treating her and if she really wants to be with him, and she's just kind of experiencing things. And then she runs into the guy who is played by Hugh Grant, and these old feelings of their relationship is brought back up. And it's really like a similar film to the first one. You have both men really kind of competing for Bridget Jones, and compared to the first one, I really didn't care for this movie that much because of its tone. It's a very dull film. For a good hour of the film, it's the relationship between Mark Darcy and Bridget Jones, and he's not a very interesting character, so that makes the film really dull because one, you're not rooting for them to be together, and two, he brought her down a lot. She was uninteresting, she was unenergetic, and just brought the whole tone down. I didn't want to see much of that relationship. I wanted it to end, and for that I did think that the film was dull for a good half of the film. And then when she ran into Hugh Grant, the film did pick up a little bit. It did become energetic at times, kind of like how she was in the first film, but overall this film lost a lot of steam in the first half. I didn't really care about the relationships at all. Bridget Jones wasn't as interesting as she was in the first one because I really liked that character. I wanted to know more about her. And in the second one, not so much, and I really do think that's a lot to do with the character of Mark Darcy, Colin Firth's character. I just think that he really brought her down, and it brought the tone of the movie down as well. So we go ahead and give Bridget Jones' Edge of Reason a C+. So you guys have seen Bridget Jones' Edge of Reason. What did you guys think about it? Did you like it compared to the first one? Me, not so much. I thought the first one had a lot of charm and excitement, energy to it. This one just did not have any of that. So this is Just Watching Movies. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. You can also find my Facebook page at the same name. The link will be down below for that. Stay tuned for a review of Bridget Jones' Baby, which is the third movie in this trilogy. So this is Just Watching Movies, and you stay classy, YouTube.